welcome back to the channel. We have another unboxing video for you today. This time around it is the wiring harness to flat tow your Jeep JL and Gladiators. It's supposed to be plug and play. We'll find out here in a second. Here we go. It's blue aux. Mounting bracket. Like I hopefully have plenty of wire room from the front to the back. How this works is you plug this in into your tail light and you plug the other end into your main wiring harness for your chassis, and it should work your tail lights and brake lights and blinkers off your RV plugs. This is flat 4, so pretty much standard stuff. I don't mind it one bit.
This winds up this unboxing. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the show. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, check out our website at theadventure.net for our blog and Amazon store.